In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Systemi.io all in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Systemi.io account. If you're not familiar with Systemi.io, it's an all-in-one business platform that's perfect for building websites, managing sales funnels, and more. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head right over to the Funnels tab on your dashboard. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be crafting your online presence. Next up, it's time to create your funnel. Look for the Create button and give it a click. A pop-up will appear prompting you to give your funnel a name. Choose something that reflects the purpose of your website, as this will help keep you organized and focused. Once you've named your funnel, the next step is choosing your funnel goal. This is an important decision because it guides the structure and design that's best suited to your needs, whether it's to capture leads, sell products, or any other objective you have in mind. With your goal in mind, Systemi.io will automatically generate the basic structure of your funnel. This framework is your launching pad, laying out the essential components you'll need. It's a great starting point because it eliminates the overwhelm and gets you going quickly with a clear pathway. Now it's time to infuse your personality and brand into your site by choosing a template for your homepage. Systemi.io offers a variety of professional templates, so take a moment to find one that resonates with your vision. Once you've selected a template, click Edit Page. This is where you can truly make the template your own. Use the drag and drop editor to edit the text, switch out images, adjust colors, and don't forget to add a call to action button. A strong, inviting call to action can really engage your visitors and guide them to the next step you want them to take. Need additional pages to complete your site? Simply click plus add step to include as many pages as necessary to build out your site effectively. Be sure each page matches the style and tone of your homepage for a cohesive experience for your visitors. To give your site an even more professional touch, connect your custom domain within the settings section. This will make your website appear more credible and ensures that your brand is consistently represented across the web. Finally, it's time to preview and publish your site. Take a careful look over each page to ensure everything looks just right. Pay attention to detail here to catch any last-minute tweaks. Once you're satisfied, hit that publish button and share your newly created website with the world. Congratulations, you've just built a website with Systemi.io in just 5 minutes. Getting online has never been simpler, so take pride in what you've accomplished and start connecting with your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy building. Happy